Welcome to the third session of the Python basics. I hope you have watched the previous two sessions. If not, then please watch. I will also put the link in the description. We are starting from very basic, so any previous knowledge of programming null language is not needed. You can easily grasp the concepts and knowledge. So let's start today with the Python operators. So what is an operator? In any programming language, an operator is a special symbol that performs a specific operation on one or more operands. The operands can be values or variables. So in Python, there are different types of operators. We are having arithmetic operators, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, membership operators, identity operators, bitwise operators. Let's deep dive into each of these kind of operators. The first one is arithmetic operator. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, exponential, everything comes under arithmetic operators. Let's understand it by taking examples. Let's say I am having two variables where one is 11 and where 2 is 2. Now let's perform addition of these two variables. Let me take addition result, another variable equal to var1 plus var2. Now let me print it, same variable name, and let me execute it. You can either press this or press shift and enter. And you see 11 plus 2 is 13. This is the way other operations we can perform. Let's quickly perform that. Let me copy it so it will be easy. And instead of addition, let's see here it is subtraction. Let's do multiplication and division also. And let me print the multiplication result. Similarly, let's do division. Division result, let me print. Yeah, and let's run it. You see here, now we are having for addition 13, that is 11 plus 2, and then 11 plus 11 minus 2 is 9, that is the our subtraction result, and multiplication is 22, 11 into 2, and then division is, I did plus, it should be division. Let me run it again, and 5.5, that is 11 divided by 2. So this is the way we can do. Now coming to the next set of the arithmetic operators, that is the floor division. So the floor division divides and rounds down. So down is the most important part here, to the nearest integer. Now to illustrate the floor division, let me add another code cell. Here let's say I am having x equal to, let's say 13, and y equal to 2. And then let me do floor division. Floor division equal to x, and for floor division we have to do slash slash 2 times instead of 1 time. And let me print it. Print floor division. You see here, now 13 divided by 2. Here it is the result is 6. So only the integer part will come, irrespective of it is greater than 0.5 or less than 0.5. It does not consider, only the integer part will come. Now if we do here, instead of one double slash, let me do only slash, you will be getting 6.5. But if I do double slash, that is a floor division, we will be getting only 6. So this is the floor division. Now the next one is the modulus. So the modulus or mod, in short, it returns the remainder of the division. So let's do the same thing. Now I'll do the mod. Let me here mod result equal to x divided by y. Instead of division, here I need to write mod. Now let me print it. Same variable we need to print. Where have we stored our values? In here, the remainder. So 13 divided by 2, and then remainder is 1. So in this mod, we are getting 1. And then exponential raises a number to the power. Let's try to do that too. So to keep it simple, let me add another cell. Let's do 3 to the power 2. So uh, let me see that one variable is, let's say, 3, and another variable is 2. Then exponential result equal to a to the power b, and let's print the result. Let me run the cell. 9. So 3 into 3, that is 9. So this covers our arithmetic operator. Now let's come to the next set of operators. Our next set of operators is the comparison operator. So the comparison is basically comparing between two variables. It could be like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. So we can do this either with the Boolean variables or with any two variables. So B stands for, let's say, Boolean. The Boolean variable 1 equal to true, Boolean variable 2 equal to true. So I want to compare the Boolean variable 1 and Boolean variable 2. So print var1 equal to var2. Let me run it. I am doing here var1. Let me do Boolean variable both, and we should have true. Now first let me cover the Boolean variable, and I'll come to the number, how to compare. And it need not be number also. You can carry like compare any two data types of variables. Now let me, we have done it equal to, let's do not equal to. In the number, let's say we are having, and let me create another cell for this, code cell probably. Let's say x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Yeah. For this x and y, let's try to have print x equal to y. What do you think? What will happen for this? So x equal to 5, y equal to 10. So both are not equal. It is returning us false. The Boolean will show that 5 is not same as 10. Similarly, we can do it for the other one, not equal to, and let's use if also. Let's say we have not covered if yet. Uh, just think like English language. So let's say if x greater than y, print x is greater than y. Else, let's print that x is less than y or x is not greater than y. So that will cover the greater than equal to and less than equal to also. So for this, what do you think it will happen? X is 5, y is 10. Let's think a moment and then let me hit it. X is not greater than y. 5 is not greater than 10. So we are able to see basically it returns true or false. So if greater x greater than y means 5 is greater than 10, no. So it will come to the else block. Let's try another thing. We'll say greater than or equal to. Okay. Now in the same code block, let me copy and paste. We'll try now greater than equal to. If x greater than y, so if 5 is greater than equal to 10, no. So we should be receiving x is not greater than y again. Let's hit it. X is not greater than y. Now let me make x is 10 again. So in this scenario, is x greater than y? No. But is x greater than equal to y? Yes. Right? So what will happen in this scenario? X is greater than equal to. Let me put here equal to also. This is just for the interpretation. Um, Anything in fact you can write inside this print statement. If as x is not greater than equal to y, let me save it. Now what do you think will happen? 10 is equal to 10. So it should be having x is greater than equal to y. X is greater than equal to y. Similarly, let's do here same thing for less than. If x instead of greater than equal to, let me put less than, and here I'll put less than, and here also I'll put x is not less than. So now we are having x as 10, y as 10. What do you think what will happen here in x less than y? Is 10 less than 10? No. So x is not less than 10. We should receive x is not less than y. X is not less than y. Now let me make x really less than y. Let me make 5 instead of 10. What do you think it will happen now? Is 5 less than 10? Yes. So x is less than y, it should come. X is less than y. Similarly, let's say x is not less than y. So you can make here 15. and then run it again. X is not less than y. So you can take any variations of this less than. Let's go to the now less than equal to. Now instead of less than, let me put less than equal to, and here also let me put less than equal to. So here it will say if x is less than or equal to y, then x is less than equal to y. If it is not, then it will say x is not less than equal to y. So what are our x and y values here? X is 15, y is 10. Control S. X is not less than equal to y because x is more. 15 is more than 10. Now if I make it y as 15, then x is less than equal to y because 15 is same as 15. See here, now x is less than equal to y. Now let's take another scenario. We have covered equal to, not greater than equal to, less than equal to. Now let's cover not equal to. Whether x is same as y. Okay, so now let's reuse the same portion of the code and we'll modify it. If x not equal to y, then print x is not equal to y. I'll put not equal to y, otherwise x is equal to y. Let's run it. X is equal to y. Let's see what are your values. Both are same. 15 and 15 are same. Now let me make y as 16 and let's run it. X is not equal to y because now 15 is not equal to 16. I hope you find this very interesting just like me. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's keep learning together. I will continue on these operators in the next video. Thank you.